Everything on Earth emits or reflects thermal energy. The CAT S62 Pro has extreme rugged credentials and a range of thermal image enhancements to choose from. MSX adds visible light and outline details in real time. To capture an image with MSX, tap to open blending options and select MSX. Slide to adjust brightness and intensity of the outline detail overlay. Slide here to adjust the alignment of the MSX overlay for close-up shots. Dismiss blending options with another tap, then capture your image. Simple. Now try enhancing images with alpha blending. It blends the visual scene in behind the thermal image, giving even greater clarity and context. To capture images with alpha blending, tap to open blending options. Select alpha blending. Slide to increase or decrease thermal detail transparency levels to see more or less of the visual image. And slide here to adjust alignment of the overlay for close-up shots. Tap to dismiss blending options and capture your image. Vivid IR is an enhanced image processing technology from FLIR, giving you thermal images with increased definition and clarity to quickly locate hotspots or water leaks, and can be used with blended images /MSX too. You might note slower performance when using Vivid IR due to its processor-heavy requirements. To turn Vivid IR image processing on, tap to turn on. Then just tap away from the menu to dismiss it. The CAT S62 Pro has extreme rugged credentials and is fully waterproof, so you can splash, dunk, or submerge your phone in water with confidence. Just close the ports to secure water tightness, and go. It works when wearing most gloves or using wet finger tracking. If you use it in salt water, clean it off after with fresh water, making sure the SIM door is firmly shut before you do, so it doesn't let water in.